Dear children, previous video we have finished exercise 8.2. Now let's start next topic, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is meant by complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degree. If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. So here we are going to find out the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First, we will consider a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at B, ABC, right angled at B. Then angle A and angle C are complementary angles. That means here sum of these two angles is equal to, you get 90 degree. 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180 degree. That is the sum of the three angles of a triangle. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is 90, means sum of angle A plus angle C is equal to, you will get 90 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Then angle C is equal to how much it will come? Angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A. That is equal to, we can write 90 minus A. 90 minus A. 90 minus A. Angle C is equal to 90 minus A. If we are considering angle A as theta, then in place of A we can write 90 minus theta. That is here we can write 90 minus theta. Angle A plus angle C is equal to, it will come 90 degree. 90 plus 90, total 180 degree. Then angle C is equal to 90 plus angle A transposing to right side minus angle A. Then 90 minus A. If we are considering angle A as theta, then 90 minus angle C is equal to, it will come, angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Now find out all the trigonometric ratios of angle A. Angle A, that is, first one is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, what is the ratio? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is equal to, according to acute angle theta, which one is the opposite side? BC divided by AC. Hypotenuse AC. So BC divided by AC. Now cos theta is equal to, I'm not going to write all the ratios, then already we have studied that ratios all. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, AC. So AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. The next one, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is BC divided by AB. The next one, cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Hypotenuse by opposite, it will come AC divided by BC. The next one is sec theta is the reciprocal ratio of cos theta. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, that is AC divided by AB. Now cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. Adjacent side divided by opposite side, that is AB divided by BC. Now next one, find out trigonometry ratios of angle C. Trigonometry ratios of angle C, that we can write sin 90 minus theta. Angle C is 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to, according to acute angle 90 minus theta, which one is the opposite side? AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. Sin means the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That will come AB divided by AC. The next one is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, BC by AC. BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Now next one, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent sides. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. Next one, cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to reciprocal ratio of sin 90 minus theta, that is AC by AB. AC divided by AB. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to reciprocal ratio of cos 90 minus theta, AC by BC. AC divided by BC. Next one, cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan 90 minus theta. that will come BC divided by AB. Now compare these two, that is theta and 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to AB divided by AC. Cos theta is equal to AB divided by AC. So we can write first formula from here. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to, what is answer? Cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Next one, cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. That is here BC by AC. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to, we can write sin theta. So that is the second formula. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to, 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now number 3, third formula. Tan 90 minus theta, see, tan 90 minus theta, AB by BC. Then here you check AB by BC. Where is that? Cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. Cot theta is equal to AB by BC. Then tan 90 minus theta is equal to, what we can write answer? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Next one, cot 90 minus theta you write. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to BC divided by AB. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. So cot 90 minus theta is equal to, we can write tan theta. That is the number 4. Number 4, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Number 5, cosec 90 minus theta, AC by AB. AC by AB is here. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Then next one, sec 90 minus theta, AC by BC. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal, cosec theta is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC, AC by BC. So sec 90 minus theta is equal to, we can write cosec theta. That is the sixth formula. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So these 6 trigonometry ratios of complementary angles you have to study nicely. This one just for understanding, I have explained this one. You have to study these 6 formulas, that is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So these 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles you have to study nicely. So these formulas we are going to use in the next exercise, that is in exercise 8.3. So let's start exercise 8.3. Now exercise 8.3, question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree, tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree, and cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Let's see question number 1. Sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree is equal to sin 18 degree. Either 18 degree or 72 degree, you have to convert it into 90 minus theta. That means here 18 degree is equal to, we will write 90 minus which number is equal to 18, that we have to find out. So for that you just subtract 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18, 10 minus 8, 2, 8 minus 1, 7. So 90 minus 72 is 18. Just subtract it and see 18. 90 minus 18, how much it is? 72. Then 90 minus 72 is equal to how much it will come? 18 it will come. 90 minus 72. So in place of 18 degree, we will write 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 divided by 90 degree minus 72 degree divided by cos 72, you will write as it is, cos 72 degree. Then that is equal to Sine 90 minus theta is equal to, we have studied formula, sine 90 minus theta is equal to, what is the formula? Cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sine 90 minus 72 is equal to, how much it will come? Sine 90 minus 72 is equal to, it will come cos 72 degree. So here, sine 90 minus 72 degree is equal to, what is the answer? Cos 72 degree divided by cos 72, that we will write as it is, cos 72 degree. So numerator and denominator is same, cos 72, cos 72. We can cancel it. What is the answer? 1. This same question, denominator also we can change. I have changed only numerator here. Denominator I wrote as it is. If we are changing the denominator, then how it will go? If we are changing the denominator, numerator I am going to write same. That is sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. We have to write cos 90 minus which number it will come? 90 minus 72, you subtract it and see. 90 minus 72. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 18. So, in place of this 72, we are writing 90 minus 18 degree. 19 minus 18. Sine 18 divided by, sine 18 degree divided by, cos 90 minus theta. What is it? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So, cos 90 minus 18 is equal to, how much it will come? Sine 18 degree. So cos 90 minus 18 is equal to sine 18 degree. Sine 18 degree divided by sine 18 degree. What is the answer? 1. So both ways we can do. Either you change the numerator or you change the denominator. Then both ways we can do this answer. So this one also same way only. Question number 2 also, that you do it by yourself. I will show you question number 3. Question number 3. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree is equal to 48. I will change, any one only will change. Okay, that is while dividing, any one we will change. While subtracting or adding also, any one we will change. Okay, remaining it will become same. Cos 48, this 48 I am going to change it into 90 minus theta. That is cos 90 minus which number is equal to 48? How can we find out that? You subtract 90 minus 48, then you will get the answer. 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48. 10 minus 8, 2. Then remaining it is here 8. 8 minus 4, 42. So in place of 48, what we can write? 90 minus 42 we can write. Then minus sine 42 we will write as it is, sine 42 degree. Sine 42 degree. That is equal to sine 42. This one, second one we will not change. Then cos 90 minus 42 is equal to, cos 90 minus theta is equal to, what is the formula? Sin theta. So cos 90 minus 42 is equal to, it will come sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. Sine 42 minus sine 42. What is the answer? Subtracting same number, so it will come answer 0. So that is the answer. This same way only question number 4 also, that you do it by yourself. Now question number 2. Show that tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 degree is equal to 1. Question number 2. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So first we will do question number 1. Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equal to, we have to get answer 1. So we will take the left hand side. Left hand side of this equation is tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equal to tan 48, we will change it into 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus 48. 90 minus which angle is equal to 48? 90 minus 48 we will see. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 42. So in place of 48 we can write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 into tan 23. 23 we will change. 23 we will change it into 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus 23, we have to subtract it and see. 90 minus 23. 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 2 6. 90 minus 67. 90 minus 67 is 23. Then again tan 42 and tan 67 we will not change. Why? Because here we got tan 90 minus 42, so this one we will not change, and here we got 90 minus 67, so this one also we will not change, we will write as it is. So tan 42 into tan 67 we will write as it is, into tan 42 into tan 67. Then that is equal to tan 90 minus theta is equal to, we have studied formula, tan 90 minus theta is equal to what is the formula? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Then tan 90 minus 42 is equal to cot 42 degree into tan 90 minus 67, that is cot 67 degree into tan 42, 1 divided by cot 42 we can write. First trigonometric ratios, when we have studied the trigonometric ratios, we have studied the formula tan theta is the reciprocal ratio of cot theta and cot theta is the reciprocal ratio of tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, we can write 1 by cot theta. So tan 42 is equal to, we can write 1 divided by cot 42 into tan 67 is equal to, we can write 1 divided by cot 67 degree. So cot 42 divided by cot 42 we can cancel. Cot 67 divided by cot 67 we can cancel. That is equal to 1 into 1. What is answer? 1. That is the answer. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to, we have to get 0. Take the left hand side. Left hand side, LHS is equal to, we can write cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to cos 38 we will convert into 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus, which number is 38? 90 minus 38 you subtract it and see. 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38 is equal to 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 3, 5, 52. 90 minus 52. Here we got angle 52, so this 52 will not change, that we will write as it is cos 52 degree minus sin 38 we will change. Sin 38 degree is equal to 90 minus sin 38 is equal to 90 minus 52 will come. 90 minus 52, and here we got 52, so last one we will not change, we will write as it is, that is sin 52. Now use the formula, that is equal to cos 90 minus 52 is equal to sin 52 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 90 minus 52, that is cos 52 degree into sin 52 degree, that is equal to sin 52 degree into cos 52 degree minus cos 52 into sin 52, that we can write sin 52 into cos 52 also, sin 52 into cos 52 degree. Now you see sin 52 cos 52 minus sin 52 cos 52, same numbers we are subtracting, same times we are subtracting, then what will be the answer? Answer will be 0. That is the right hand side 0. Okay, now the remaining questions we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.